Hey guys, what's good? Kind of a random video. Sorry about the lighting, but it is late at night right now. And I am doing what I have done a lot over the years, and that is staying up, trying to get some watches organized and ready to ship. Just pulled the trigger on a big trade. I'm really excited about that. But yeah, it's kind of a nerve-wracking thing, you know, and trading is a big part of this hobby. And what I would recommend for anybody is to try to cultivate some relationships or friendships with people that share a similar passion when it comes to watches. And so you can, like, you know, sell and trade with those people, and you don't have to worry about, like I said, some of the implicit risk when it comes to this hobby, which is, you know, people taking your watches, taking your money, being scammed. Because I'm thankful that I've been doing it for a while, and like I said, I have a network of people that I kind of share my passion with, you know, send them wrist shots and stuff. Anyway, let me just show you kind of what I'm getting into. Literally, you can see I just walked out of the kitchen and I'm just sitting here just like trying to get all this stuff organized. All right. Ooh. This is painful. The Bat person, I'm sorry. Yeah, the BLNR, you know, gangster watch. I have really enjoyed my time with it. You know, full set, box papers. You know, that's a premium. That's $500 to $1,000 premium when it comes to buying and selling and trading watches. So remember that. Keep your boxes, keep your papers. It's going to be hard to give up the BLNR. I really enjoyed the heck out of it as an owner of the watch. I'll be honest though, you know, the energy for this watch is maybe diminishing a little bit, not just for me, but I think for other owners. You see a lot of these for sale now, and I kind of understand that. It is a great watch. You almost can't fault the watch, but I don't know. I mean, it's just been on top for so long. People want something different. Anyway, this thing, I got to get the OEM strap back on this thing, the Omega Aquaterra 41. Love the watch, but hard choices got to be made. You know what I mean? Hard choices got to be made. And when you're trying to trade up, when you're trying to move to a better neighborhood, you get really hard choices got to be made. The Panerai Luminor, this is the 1000. So the 1000, maybe the cheapest Luminor that you can buy. This one is naked. I don't have box and paper, so I'm not getting great trade value for this one. But like I said, it's a sweetener in the deal. Awesome watch. Highly recommend this one. I know I'm going to be picking up another one of these or something similar soon. Love Panerai. Prefer the Luminors. Awesome. And that Glashütte original. Like I said, the box for the Omega. This thing is massive, man. This box probably weighs 5 pounds. And I showed you the Omega box. Here's what a Glashütte original. This is, you know, still got the slip cover on it. But yeah, kind of a random video. I thought you guys would be interested. So this is a 4 watches for one deal, plus I'm adding a significant amount of cash to it. So what one watch is worth these 4 great, look, this is a freaking Bat person. I mean, so, you know, what is worth that to me? I guess you got to stay tuned to find out. And again, the one thing I would tell you about the watch hobby is try to cultivate a series of relationships or friendships with people all around the country, all around the world that share a similar passion. So you can interact with these people, and you can sort of trade with the same sort of like small group of people. And you know that, you know, you're protected. You don't mind giving someone a really good deal when you know that that's a friend, that's somebody that you care about. Also, the second thing I would recommend is having a really understanding wife or partner. That I would recommend too, because like I said, it's late at night. I am messing around with watches, but like I said, I got to get this box sent out tomorrow morning. And again, the world of watches moves fast. You know what I mean? It's one of those things where I wasn't really looking for a trade, but I'm always kind of looking for opportunities. I found a watch that I really want from a person that I know, have dealt with before, trust, and have a friendship with. Kind of went back and forth on the terms over text. I mean, you know, this isn't like you know, the person lives many states away. Went back and forth over text, pictures, and you know, he trusts me, I trust him, and just came to terms you know what I mean, came to terms and, like I said, pulled the trigger on a deal. I'm really excited about what I'm getting in. Got to stay tuned to find out what that is. Guys, God bless. Take care. I'm sorry about this random. I got to get out of this thing. Sorry about this random video. I got work to do. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a better night than I am. I'm going to be up for a while messing around with this stuff. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye.